What was that, Neil? Neil?
Yeah.
Neil, what was that?
No, nothing. I've got something for you.
You sure?
I didn't say anything, Jason.
I'm sure you did.
Use your head as a reflector, Jace.
Ah! You're on video, guys. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchenette. Tony's done us proud.
I'm not supposed to be eating, but...
At least it proves that the food's all right.
Definitely. So Tony's done us egg, sausage, bacon, coffees, teas.
Yeah.
Top man. Filled their bellies up.
Yeah, definitely.
So come on now, we can start today. We'll find a way to make it better, pick up the pace and work together. Come on now, we can start today. We'll find a way to make it better, pick up the pace and work together. Come on now, we can start today. So come on now, we can start today. So come on now, we can start today.
Choking chicken stew. And for what? And for why?
No, I don't accept.
So Stu, you've had the chicken probably about, I don't know, 5 minutes? By default, yeah, very minor offence, very minor offence. Nothing like handlebars down.
No.
AJ, they've been down.
I did, mate.
Congratulations,
Thank
mate.
you very much. Thank you.
Right.
I'd like to thank my family, my beautiful wife.
For the Golden Choking Chicken
Absolutely.
Award.
Yeah, yeah, for the cross-rutting, best cross-rutting in the season so far, I think.
Perfect, perfect. Right, well, if you like to attach that to your bike somewhere.
I will. We go here, pride of place.
Brilliant.
Funny because he was joking.
A few moments later.
Hang on. So AJ has decapitated the choking chicken. Is choking chicken all right?
He ain't breathing, mate.
There's a bit of blood there, isn't there? A bit of blood there.
Ready?
Okay. Is he breathing?
Well done, mate.
Is he all right?
Yeah, he's alright.
He's all right, is he? So we've made it to Chiseldon, near Swindon. Started off with 15, down to 8. AJ Spencer's taking it to another level with his choking chicken. We're just waiting for the next stage. We don't know what to do next, do we? Where you around, George? Should we head out?
Absolutely, just abandon them, leave them, and carry on and have fun.
Stu, this is your mate. Or he said he was your mate. Anyway, AJ, hope it's a speedy recovery, fella. You want to see Aura? Yeah, that middle line is definitely the one, mate. Nicely done, Sue. He's there. Okay, now we've got Mr. Duck on his purple bike, on his purple machine. Also taking that middle runner. Look at that. This is Dave, also on a purple bike. Yeah, that middle line, definitely the line there, guys. Look at that. There's the line, Dave. Now this is Alex. The only one left really on a big bike. There's KTM here. Look at that. Well done, mate. Now we got George. Look at him. He's ready.